Welcome back to the channel. So this was the prediction we did yesterday. If you've not watched it, you can go back to watch it. I told you guys clearly that US gold will give us a drop, thereby forming a new low, and it will eventually take out this low. Right? This was the prediction we did yesterday, and our pattern, this line is still there, right? So I decided to leave it, and it is still there. You see that market dropped and it gave us a new low. So guys, that is why if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, it will be best you click on that subscribe button right now. Subscribe now. Uh, Click on the bell notification. Also, you will not miss out on any updates. Now that gold has given us this pullback, guys, our next movement on gold is another drop again. So we are now expecting that drop to a level of 4271. You know, the first time I told you guys, our prediction for yesterday was that markets will drop to a level of 4283, right? Yeah, 4284, right? Markets eventually came and tapped it. Now we are expecting a drop again, and our next drop would be a level of 4271. So 4271 is our next movement on gold. So we are now expecting a sell. Now, could there be any changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. But if there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, guys, click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.